In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redirect a domain on Hostinger step by step. If you recently bought a new domain, moved your website, or you simply want visitors from one domain to automatically land on another URL, domain redirects are the easiest solution. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple, and you can set it up in less than a minute once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Hostinger. Redirects are useful for many situations. For example, if you rebrand your business and change your domain name, you can redirect the old domain to the new one, so visitors and search engines are automatically sent to the correct place. You might also want to redirect a specific URL to a landing page, a different website, or even a social media page. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a redirect inside Hostinger's dashboard. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Now let's jump straight into the first step. First, log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then sign in using the email and password associated with your hosting account. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside the Hostinger hPanel, which is the main dashboard where you manage your hosting, websites, domains, and settings. From here, look for the section called Websites. Click on Websites to see all the websites that are connected to your hosting account. You'll now see a list of your sites. Find the website or domain where you want to create the redirect. Next to that website, click the button that says Dashboard. This will open the management panel for that specific site. Inside the website dashboard, you'll see multiple settings and configuration options for your site, including performance, security, files, and domain tools. What we want to find is the redirect tool. To do that, look for the Domain section in the menu. Click on Domains and then choose Redirects. This page is where you can create domain or URL redirects inside Hostinger. Once the Redirects page opens, you'll see fields where you can configure the redirect rule. The first field is where you enter the URL that you want to redirect from. This could be your main domain, a subdomain, or even a specific page URL. For example, you might enter your old domain or an outdated page that you no longer want visitors to access directly. In the second field, you'll enter the destination URL. This is the page or domain where visitors will be automatically sent when they try to access the original link. For example, if you changed your domain name, you would enter your new domain here, so that anyone visiting the old one gets redirected instantly. After entering both URLs, double-check that everything is typed correctly to avoid redirect errors. Once you're ready, simply click the Create button. Hostinger will now create the redirect rule and apply it to your domain. After a few moments, the redirect should become active. Now, whenever someone visits the original URL, they will automatically be redirected to the destination URL that you specified. It's a quick and effective way to guide visitors to the right place without needing to manually update every link. If you want to confirm that the redirect works, open a new browser tab and visit the original URL you entered. If everything was set up correctly, the page should instantly redirect you to the destination URL. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a domain redirect in Hostinger using the built-in redirect tool. This is one of the easiest ways to manage domain changes, forward traffic, and make sure visitors always reach the correct page. If this video helped you learn how to redirect a domain on Hostinger, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.